Assalamualaikum class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 30th of April 2021 and the day is Friday. Fine class? Okay. So yesterday we studied about the concept of word problems. Isn't class? Okay, so I have a statement. Page number 16. If a rocket travels a distance of 756, 840 kilometer, 756, 480 kilometer, 480 kilometer in 240 hours. In 240 hours, how many kilometer does it travel? How many kilometer does it travel? Does it travel in 1 hour? Okay, so class, as I told you, when we have to solve word problem, we have some of instructions to follow. So who will tell me what are they? Yes, Jannat, you tell me. Very good. The first instruction is to read. Okay? The first instruction of the word problem is to read. Isn't class? Second is to understand. Very good. Third is to write. And fourth is to solve. Isn't class? Okay. So now I am going to read according to the instruction. If a rocket travels a distance of 756,480 kilometer in 240 hours, how many kilometer does it travel in 1 hour? Okay class? So this is the first portion that instruction that I have done. Now the second instruction of the word problem is to understand. अब इस क्वेश्चन से हमें क्या समझ आ रहा है कि एक रॉकेट है, ठीक है, उसने डिस्टेंस कितना ट्रेवल किया है 756,480 इन 240 आवर्स, ठीक है, 240 आवर्स में उसने इतना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया है। अब वो हमसे क्या पूछ रहा है कि 1 घंटे में वो कितना डिस्टेंस जो है वो ट्रेवल करेगा। 240 आवर्स में उसने इतना किया है, so we have to tell 1 hour distance. So what would we do class? क्या करेंगे इसमें हम? Very good. As I told you, when we go many to 1, we will divide. Okay, जब भी हम many से 1 में जाते हैं, so we will divide, and 1 to many जाते हैं तो multiply. Okay, increase होता है तो हम multiplication करते हैं और decrease होता है तो हम division करते हैं. Isn't? Okay, back to this statement. Now I am going to solve. in 240 hours rocket travel distance which is 756,480 kilometer. Fine, and we have to tell in 1 hour distance. So उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, 1 hour के लिए many to ones आ रहे हैं, so we will divide 756,480 divided by 240. Okay class, now we will divide this. Divided by 240. Fine. Now, if you look, if I take 2-digit number, so divisor is greater than dividend. So I will take 3-digit number which is 756. Now I will read the table of 240 to make it nearer this which is 756. So 2 times कर लेते हैं, 2 0 times 0 2 4 times 8 and 2 2 times 4 480. अभी भी बहुत far है. So 3 times 3 0 times 0 3 4 times 12 1 carry 3 2 times 6 and 7 720 is quite nearer to 756. So 3 times 720. Fine. Now the second step is to division is to subtract. We will subtract 1 by 1. So 6 minus 0 is 6. Fine. 5 minus 2 is 3. 36. Now this is 2-digit and this is 3-digit. So I will bring down this digit which is 4. So I have 364. Now I will read the table again. 2 times 2 0 times 2 2 2 times 8 and 2 2 times 4. So 480 which is greater than 364. So I will take 1 time 240. Fine. Again I will subtract. So 4 minus 0 is 4 and 6 minus 4 is 2 and 3 minus 1 is 1. So 1 2 4. Fine class. Okay, now in next step what would we do? This is 124 3-digit number which is smaller than 240. So I will bring down 8. 1 2 4 8. Now I will read the table. 5 0 times 0 5 4 times 20 2 carry 5 2 times 10 and 12 1200. Fine. 1200. So which is nearer to this. 5 times 1200. Fine class. Next is to subtract. Yes, it is आ जाएगा and 480. This 0 will be bring down at the end. Fine. Now as we have solved 242 times 480. Exactly क्या हो गया ये divisible. So what is the answer class when we will divide 756,480 by 240? 3152 kilometer. Fine. Okay. अच्छा मुझे आप बताएं हमने इसमें डिवीजन क्यों की है? Why we will divide this question? Very good, because उसने यहाँ पे पर का यूज किया हुआ है. मैंने आपको बताया था if there is a word used in which like that, shared, divide, group, per, split, so we can divide in those question. Okay, so अब इसमें भी हमारे पास क्या है, उसने 240 आवर्स हमें बताए हुए थे कि इतने आवर्स में वो ये डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करता था और हमने 1 आवर का डिस्टेंस बताना है. सो जब हमने उसको डिवाइड किया, सो वी गेट 3152 kilometer. Fine class? Okay. So let's move towards next, which is 6. Question number 6. And the statement is, during her trip, Sarah knit a scarf at the rate of 469 millimeter every day. If her work, if her trip lasts 8 days, how much of the scarf will she have knitted by the end of the trip? How much of the scarf will she have knitted by the end of the trip? Okay, so according to instruction of word problem class, the first instruction of the word problem is to read. Second is to understand. Third is to write. And fourth is to solve. Okay, now I am going to read the first instruction portion, which is read. During her trip, Sarah knit a scarf at the rate 469 millimeter every day. If her trip lasts 8 days, how much of the scarf will she have knitted by the end of the trip? Fine. So this is the first instruction that I have done. Now the second is to understand. क्या इसमें से आपको समझ आ रहा है कि ट्रिप के ड्यूरेशन में सारा ने जो है स्कार्फ बनाए थे विद द रेट ऑफ, और जो उनका रेट था वो क्या था, 469 मिलीमीटर एवरी डे. उसकी जो मेजरमेंट है वो क्या है, 469 मिलीमीटर. हर दिन वो कितने मिलीमीटर बनाती थी, 469. उसके बाद उसने पूछा है कि अगर ये ट्रिप जो है वो 8 दिन तक स्टे किया जाए तो वो कितने जो है वो स्कार्फ बना सकती है बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस ट्रिप. ठीक है, जब ट्रिप खत्म होगा तो वो कितने स्कार्फ जो है वो बना सकती है. सो व्हाट वुड वी डू क्लास, इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं? वेरी गुड, वी विल सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई इन दिस क्वेश्चन. व्हाई वी विल मल्टीप्लाई इन दिस क्वेश्चन? बिकॉज वन डे एवरी डे का क्या मीन है, वन डे, उस एक दिन जो है वो 469 मिलीमीटर बनाती थी. ठीक है, और कितने दिन रहा था, 8 डेज. सो वी विल सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई 8 by 469. Fine class? Okay, now I am going to write 469 multiplied 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 55. 2 digits, so I will write 5 here and 5 as a carry. Now next, which is 8 4 times. 8 4 times plus. Yes, Josefa, you tell me. 8 4 times. Very good. 32. And 5 add karenge, so 37. So in the end we have 3752 millimeter. Okay, 3752 millimeter. इतनी जो है वो अगर 8 दिन वहां पे स्टे करता ट्रिप, तो कितने उसने स्कार्फ्स बनाने थे? रेट उसका क्या आना था? 3752. फाइन क्लास? Okay. Now I am going to repeat this example. Just listen to me very carefully. During her trip, Sarah knit a scarf at the rate 469 millimeter every day. If her trip lasts 8 days, how much of this scarf will she have knitted by the end of the trip? Fine. एक दिन में उसने मेजरमेंट 469 मेजरमेंट का वो करती थी, बनाती थी. अगर 8 डेज वो वहाँ पे रहती तो कितने जो है वो रेट कितनी मेजरमेंट का वो बना सकती थी. सो वी विल जस्ट सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई इन दिस क्वेश्चन. फाइन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. If a project needs rupees 955 space 000 to be completed, okay, to be completed, then how much money will be needed for will be needed for 100 such products, 100 such projects. Okay. Now the first instruction of the word problem is to read. Now I am going to read, class. The second is to understand, write and then solve, isn't? So if a project needs rupees 955,000 to be completed, then how much money will be needed for 100 such projects. कहते हैं कि अगर एक प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर जो है वो 955,000 जो है मनी यूज़ हुए हैं एक प्रोजेक्ट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, तो 100 सच प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए कितना मनी जो है वो यूज़ होगा. फाइन. सो व्हाट वुड वी डू इन दिस क्वेश्चन? So class, we will simply multiply by 100 number of rupees, which is rupees 955,000 multiply by 100. अगर एक की जो अमाउंट है one project rupees 955,000, and if we want to find 100 projects, 100 अगर हमने प्रोजेक्ट्स कंप्लीट करने हैं, सो व्हाट वुड वी डू? 1 से मैनी की तरफ जा रहे हैं ना, ये 1 है और ये मैनी है, सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. वी सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई एंड गेट इट 955 this number as it is, and these two zeros are involved in the answer. As I told you, when we have to multiply by the multiples of 10, 100,000, the number remains the same, but there is involvement of number of zeros, जो कि हम किसके अकॉर्डिंग करते हैं? अगर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 है सो वी विल add 1 zero. If we have 100, so it's mean we will use 2 zeros in the end. Fine. So this is how we can solve word problems. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.